Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring both devices share the same Wi-Fi because Samsung Casting uses local network discovery. Power on the TV and select the native screen mirroring or Smart View input so it's ready to accept connections. On your Samsung phone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Bluetooth helps detect nearby displays faster. Once those basics are active, open Quick Settings and swipe to reveal the Smart View tile so you can initiate the connection immediately. Now you actively connect. Pull down Quick Settings and tap Smart View. Your phone searches the local network. Select the TV name that matches what's displayed on the TV screen. If prompted, confirm the PIN or accept the pairing prompt on the TV. This secures the link. Make sure to allow screen casting permissions on your phone when asked, and disable battery saver, which can interrupt streaming. Once connected, you'll see the phone screen mirrored. Adjust volume and orientation as needed in Smart View controls. To finish, pick the best network band. 5 GHz reduces lag, so switch your devices if possible and move closer to the router to improve stability. If protected content won't play, remember some apps block casting for DRM reasons. Use supported apps or cast from the TV App Store. If you hit problems, reboot both the TV and phone, then try Smart View again. Often that clears discovery issues. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, then
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.